Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Frullata 3D and today I'm gonna create my very first art toy. So I want to create a character inspired by television. I'm not good at drawing, so I'm just gonna look up some references and hop into Blender. I'm starting with this base that I found on Pinterest because I want to have a base that I can later use for other characters. Next, I model the TV head of the character. This is how it turned out. Now I'm gonna add some materials and make it pretty for the renders. And there we go, here's our TV body. After refining some details, I bring it into my slicer. Since I have a BambuLab printer, I use Bambu Studio to add supports and slice it. It's finally time to start printing. This isn't my first ever print. I obviously started with the famous Benchy, but it is my first time printing my own design, so this is super exciting. After removing the supports, this is how it turned out. Okay, now it's time to start painting. I decided on pink and purple. Since I'm using simple acrylic paints, we're gonna need a lot of layers. Finally, I print out a sticker to personalize the toy. And now, without further ado, let's take a look at the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.